Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This video will be showing you guys how to prepare a delicious saltfish fritters. Okay guys, the ground ingredients that you will need will be tomato, scallion, thyme, bell peppers, onion and scotch bonnet peppers. You can use whatever color bell peppers you like. That could be green, red, orange. I'm using green and red, but you're welcome to use whatever color you like. Okay guys, so you will need some saltfish. I'm using the cod from the packet. You will need to rinse the salt off and then boil it. So I will boil the saltfish for about 3 to 3.5 minutes, then drain that water off, then boil again for another additional 3 to 4 minutes. Then I will put aside to add it into our batter to make our saltfish fritters. Okay guys, so now you need to finely chop all your ingredients that include the bell peppers, onions, tomato, scallion and scotch bonnet pepper, and put those aside to add into our batter. Okay guys, so all the powdered ingredients that you will need will be all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, paprika, baking powder and a bit of fish seasoning. You also will need some flour. All the measurements will be in the description box below, so please check those out. Okay, here you've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This is our saltfish ready, cooked and minced or chopped smallly to be ready to put inside our batter. You can put that aside until we're ready to mix it all together. Okay guys, now I'm adding the powdered ingredients to the flour. After that, I will add all the chopped ingredients and the saltfish. Fry until golden brown on each side. So it's approximately like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes on each side until golden brown. Okay guys, and that's how you make saltfish flitters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and all your feedbacks are welcome. I'll see you next time in the next videos. Bye.